Tagging of specific text elements with MadeToTag. In this video, I like to show you how to tag specific elements like captions and block quotes or lists inside of InDesign with MadeToTag. First of all, I like to bring up MadeToTag to the front, so I'm using the entry on Window and then MadeToTag. For now, we are just working in task number 1, define and review export tags. To give you a better overview, I just jump to the next page. And here you will see we have several kinds of text elements, and some of them are a little bit special. For example, here on the left side, we got a quote. On the right side, we got some specific captions for figures, and here for a table. The corresponding tags for such elements can't be found in InDesign itself. So this one is a huge benefit of MadeToTag. You can use more tags than provided by InDesign itself. To show you how it works and make your and my life a little bit easier, I'm just using the highlight export text by color function. I just activate the checkbox, and now, as you can see, several elements are already pre-tagged. So for example, everything that's orange is a heading and everything that's blue is a paragraph. This is handled in separate other videos how to do so. My quote here at the top left, to make this one a quote, I'm just going inside my text. And once again, I'm using here my given name of the paragraph style and looking for a corresponding PDF tag. The correct one will be block quote, and if I'm now using this one will end up being a block quote after I export the PDF. I would do the same stuff for the author or the provider of the quote. Once again, I make this one a block quote. This one, making this a block quote here, avoids some needed work afterwards to prepare this one as a block quote. The same on the right side for the caption. I just go inside my caption for the figure here, and then I'm just going to the list provided by MadeToTag, which offers me much more tags than InDesign, and in my case it should be a caption. But as you can see, there's not only one caption tag, there are more than this. Caption is used for figures, the second one is used for caption inside of lists, and the last both are used for tables. So for now, I'm fine with caption, and as you can see, both of them get separate colors, something like a blue tone here, which is really dark, and something like a mix of green and blue here on the right side. Left over here on my page will be this one here. This one is my caption for the table. Please always be sure the caption for a table should not be inside the table, it should be before or after the table. In my case, it's before the table. So I'm just using now caption table at top. So my caption is at the top of the table and not at the bottom. And this one will be marked up the right way. So this one was a way how to take block quotes and captions, some things not provided by InDesign. The last one I like to show you is something about lists. As you can see on my page here, something lights up in green color. Every list you tag as a list inside of InDesign will be marked up green with MadeToTag's function of highlighting. In this case, I use the list function. It does not matter if I'm using a numbered or unnumbered list, it will always show up in green. So that's a huge help to check it, but in my case, it should not be a list, not my heading, first level heading, or not my second level heading. So please, in this case, just overtake this one, and this one is covered in the headings video too. I would just now using my shortcuts to mark it up with option 1 and option 2 as corresponding headings. In this video, I showed you how you can use MadeToTag to tag specific tag elements like captions and block quotes.